Hi, welcome to lesson 18-2. Tonight we're going to be talking about bar graphs and picture graphs.
Miss Madden, come quickly! There's a wild animal in the hallway!
Miss Madden, are you in here? Miss Madden? Oh, she seems to... Oh, she left her computer up. What are we working on here? Bar graphs, huh? I know something about bar graphs. 18-2 is about bar graphs, specifically picture graphs. First, let's take a look at the bar graph. Are we paying attention, class? The bar graph has two very important parts, the scale and the interval. The scale is, as you can see, it starts here at 0, and it goes all the way up to, what do we have here? 5. So the scale is from the lowest to the highest part of the bar graph, which is 0 to 5. The interval is how we get there. Let's take a look. Well, what are we counting by? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we're counting by ones. Because from 1 to 2 is 1, 2 to 3 is 1, 3 to 4 is 1, 4 to 5 is 1. We got it? Let's move on. Look at another example. Oh, and let's read our important graph here. Favorite pets in Mr. Nussbaum's class. I don't know Mr. Nussbaum. But apparently, there are 4 people that like cats, 3 that like dogs, 2 that like fish, and 1 that like hamsters. I wonder what this class bar graph would look like. The M&M's bar graph. Let's take a look for our scale. Well, the lowest, again, our scale would start at 0 and go all the way up to 40. So our scale would be from 0 to 40. The interval, well, how do we count to get to 40? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. What am I counting by? I can't hear you. What am I counting by? Sounds like 5s. Nice work, everyone. Please take a look at the double bar graph. The double bar graph is the way of comparing specific groups. In this case, the yellow is the girls, and the red is the boys. So when we look at the number of students that their favorite sport is soccer, I see over here my bar graph, my scale. My scale, again, goes all the way up to, I'm going to count 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I'm counting by 2s, and I see that it might even go a little higher. I'm going to say my scale goes from 0 to 12. Interval is counting by 2s. And what I was saying is we've got for girls 6, like soccer, and then I look over here for boys, and I see that, well, I'm counting by 2s. 0, 2, 4. It's right in between 2 and 4. Must be 3. So I've got 6 girls and 3 boys. Why don't you take a look at who likes softball, basketball, and other whatever sport that may be. The picture graph, also known as the pictograph. The pictograph has pictures to represent instead of our bar graph, which has the numbers on the side. So this is pretty easy. We can just count our pictures here. How many people like green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Pretty easy. We get our picture graph. Picto, pictures. They all sound the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, take a look at the next one. Can I just start counting it right away? Cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do I notice right here? Each paw print stands for 2 votes. So this paw print isn't 1 paw print, it's actually 2. So I need to count by 2s. My interval will be 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 people like cats. Counting again, remember each paw print stands for 2. So now as I count my dogs, 2, 4. 4 people like dogs. 2, 4, 6 people like hamsters. Did you know I had a hamster? There's your fun fact for the day. These notes look pretty hard, so I think I hear Miss Madden coming back. Oh, I hear Miss Madden coming back. I gotta go.
Oh, okay, sorry about that. found the wild animal, can't find Mrs. Lamore anywhere. So hopefully she'll be here tomorrow at school. Let's take a look at our notes. Make sure that you open up your new page to 18-2. 2 column notes. Remember, pause if I go too fast. Your first one is a bar graph. It uses bars to show data. Your second one is a double bar graph. You use 2 bars to show 2 similar sets of data. Interval is a difference between numbers on an axis. Remember, your axis lines are your y and your x. A scale is a series of numbers at equal distances. That's what are you counting by. And our last one is a picture, or most commonly called a pictograph, uses pictures to represent data. I hope you have a great night, and I hope Mrs. Lamore will be here tomorrow. Goodbye.